So I'm doing this video today not because I want to, but because I have to. The battery in my F-150 key fob is dying, and I wasn't able to start my truck a couple of minutes ago. Luckily, I did get it to start, so I went and got a battery. I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery and get it working again. So I have a 2017 F-150, and these are the batteries you'll need. I got this at the local grocery store, $4 for 4 of them, and it's a pretty generic brand, but these are the kind you need. It's the CR2025. You'll need 2 for your key fob. So here's how you open it up in the first place. You'll see on the forward side, little spot right here, use your fingernail. You're going to open it up. It's gonna take a couple of seconds probably. Bring it down and then open it up. Once you do, you'll see the hidden key. This is an emergency key to start your truck. One side is this, one side is that. You don't need this part right now. Next, you'll take the key out and use the key up here. And what you're gonna do is snap this out. Watch this. Pretty simple. Now, bring this apart. Here is your battery, and you'll have 2 of them, and they will be facing each other. I'll show you. What you'll end up doing is facing the pluses together with a little piece of paper in between them. So here's the bad batteries. Just use your fingernail, pop it out. That's 1. Inside, you'll see the type of battery you need. And again, CR2025. Carefully pull this piece of paper away. And then you'll see the plus side of the other battery. Pop that out. Place a good battery back in it. Place the piece of paper back over it. And then face the positive on top of the positive. Hold it in place. Then you'll put this back on top of your key fob. Close the lid back on top with a turtle shell. There you go. Your battery's been replaced for just a couple of bucks. And now when it's time to start it up, you'll have no problems. You're welcome. So that's how you replace the battery in your F-150 key fob.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.